Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be talking about how you can log in WeChat Business account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into our video. So first of all you need to do is press open your Play Store app, and once you get open you need to download the WeCom app. So to log in, you need to simply open the WeCom app and allow all the access which are asked from it. Now here you can find two options. Let us first try login via the phone. Simply press the login via phone and enter your mobile phone number. Once you are done with it, you need to simply press on the next option. So after you press next, you will receive a verification code on your number. You need to simply enter it and log in through it. So this way you can log in via phone in WeChat Business. Now to log in from the WeChat account, you can simply press on WeChat login. You will be logged in via your WeChat account. So for this you need to link your WeChat account and WeCom account and simply press on next. Now select the reason and your date of birth and acknowledge all the privacy policies and service agreements which are provided to you. So once you are done, all you need to do is enter your registered information and you can log in simply into the WeChat Business account via your WeChat account as well. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.